What's up, guys? This is Urban Legends Airsoft, and today we have an unboxing from evike.com. Hope you enjoy the video.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah.
Alright, guys, so as I said, this is going to be an evike.com unboxing. I already opened one box, but it still had a box in it. So I'm going to show you what I got first before I open up two boxes. This is what I got first. Hang on a sec, let me get it. A Wii High Cap mag. Let me show you it out of the box. Look how big that is. This goes in my Dragon accelerator. So, I think it looks pretty sweet. I think it almost looks like a G18 from MW2. I'm not a COD freak, I just know what that looks like. But, yeah, so before I get on to this unboxing again, here's an update. This will be going in my SPR. This is a Mad Bull hop-up unit on a 510mm Mad Bull Type Bore inner barrel. That's going to be going in this gun right here. Sorry if you couldn't see that all the way, but whatever. So that's what it's going to be going in. And now, sorry for all the anxiety. I know you guys want to see what I got. So here we go. I got my trusty knife. And I'm going to open this first box. Not really sure which this is, but we will find out soon enough, right? Alright, so in here we have, oh, nice. Alright, guys. So it comes in this really nice, fancy carrying case. And look at this. Let me get it out of the mesh for you. It is a mask. And this is a pretty big boss. Look at this. This is a cactus hobby mask. This is from Army of Two, if you ever played that game. And this bullet hole right here, this is actually from the Rio video game. This is where Rios gets shot in the forehead. Can't remember the mission, but this is the Green Flame edition. This was about 90 bucks. It has a really nice head strap right here. Some nice logos and the official merchandise, www.cactushobbies.com. Little tag. Premium quality Airsoft homemade mask. Homemade to perfection. So that's the first box. It is mesh. So if you go to a field where they do require full seal goggles, you're going to have to wear a pair of sunglasses or something underneath it. But this should keep the BBs out pretty nicely. This is steel, or no, the mesh is fiberglass. The entire mask is actually fiberglass, but it should be able to withstand easily any type of FPS, with the exception of like a pellet gun or something. So on to the next box. Here we go. Alright, guys, so here's the second box unboxing. Sorry if the camera angle is a little bit crappy. I can't really get that angled quite right. But here we go. This is a really long box, so you can already tell it is a gun. And might I add, it is an extremely high quality gun. I'm sorry if you can't see the entire box, but you really won't need to see the entire box. I will show the gun and the gun box pretty clearly after I get it out of the box. So here we go, second box unboxing. And first we see tactical packing paper for the win. More tactical packing paper. And as you can see, guys, I don't know if you can see the actual box right now. We got two G36 magazines from H&K Umarex. These are KWA magazines, and that probably gives it away. Order sheet. And right here we have the H&K Umarex G36C. You got your nice KWA magazine, or I'm sorry, user's manual, which they are always pretty hefty. They are always giving you really high quality stuff. That's a really great KWA manual. We have a LiPo ready card that proves it's LiPo ready. We have the KWA warranty card. You basically just send this in. You really got to send this in quick. Just stick a postage stamp on there and send it in. This is the warranty card, so make sure to do that. We got your really nice lubed up KWA magazine by H&K Umarex. And we have the gun itself. A little cap for all those discharges by accident, hopefully. And the gun itself, I'll probably do another close-up so you can see more of it. But this gun, just taking it out of the box, this feels really, really nice in your hands. Really hefty. You know it's high-quality stuff. As always, you got your genuine KWA tag on it. This gun looks extremely nice. It's got an ambidextrous selector switch. Really nice trigger. It's got the new 2GX gearbox that KWA just came out with. Folding stock. Real high quality, no problems there. The folding stock makes it CQB, which I'll probably be needing. It's got those really, really nice KWA sights. Don't worry, guys, I'll do another close-up at the end of this video. But it's got a rail up here and two rails on the side, plus an under rail for a foregrip. It's got a realistic bolt catch, which reveals the hop-up right there. Really, really high quality stuff. This almost looks like the real steel if it weren't for the orange tip, which the G36 was a German-made gun. Did have a plastic body, the real steel did, so this is almost an exact replica of the real steel. It's got some warnings on here, just like the real steel does, and it's got your real nice KWA trades. Actually, this is fully licensed by H&K, so instead of seeing KWA trademarks, you get the H&K trademarks right here. I'll do a close-up, guys, don't worry. But you also got some right here. And you got, of course, your sling mounts. So guys, that's about it for this unboxing. I'll show another close-up at the end of this rifle. But that's about it for me talking. You also got your unjamming rod. And KWA sticker. So that's about it for me talking, guys. Now you're going to see some real nice close-ups of this gun. as always, and this is Urban Legends Airsoft. We're out.